how do I ensure regular quality time with my partner if my profession or my sport is all in and there's a lot of travel demands? This is not uncommon, especially if you're married to somebody who's successful or somebody that's particularly driven. The driven person wants to become a great communicator, right? And also learn how to do present moment time at a super high level, not just for your sport or for your business, but especially when you're home. A lot of times when I work with big executives, I have them pull around the corner at a park or something and meditate before they step in the door. Otherwise, their wife throws the kids in their arms and they're exhausted and they're not very present, right? And or vice versa. If the woman's a big executive, same thing. It doesn't matter. I'm coaching a doctor, two doctors actually. One's a female. No difference. It doesn't matter. You got to take the time and get yourself settled and grounded before you just, try to switch gears there and be present with your partner. This is so important. So making presence a priority, making communication a priority, and making listening a priority. There's a boat in the background. Take care.